Icon F5. The F5 is not just a plane, it's an adventure. It's a two-seat amphibious wonder that can take you from land to water and back again. It's a light sport aircraft that is designed for fun and safety. Whether you are a seasoned pilot or a beginner, you will love flying the F5. It has a sleek and modern design, with a spin-resistant airframe, an aircraft parachute, an angle of attack gauge, an auto-level button, smart glide, and an optional autopilot. It also has a glass cockpit with a heads-up display that shows you everything you need to know. The F5 is powered by a Rotax 912, is engine that produces 100 horsepower. It can fly up to 109 miles per hour and travel up to 427 nautical miles with 45 minutes of reserve fuel. The F5 is the ultimate recreational aircraft that lets you explore the world in style. Vision VTOL. Imagine soaring through the sky in a sleek and futuristic aircraft that can take off and land vertically, like a helicopter, but fly faster and farther, like a plane. That's the vision behind the Vision VTOL, a revolutionary prototype that aims to transform personal air travel. The Vision VTOL is powered by electricity, making it eco-friendly and quiet. It has a single seat, but can be scaled up to accommodate more passengers. It has 8 rotors that can tilt to switch between 2 modes: vertical mode for hovering and landing, and horizontal mode for cruising and speed. It has no wings or tail, giving it a compact and elegant design. The Vision VTOL is not just a dream. It's a reality in the making. The team behind it is working hard to improve the battery technology, which will enable it to fly for up to 4 hours and cross continents with ease. Hill HX50. Imagine a helicopter that is not just a machine, but a personal companion. A helicopter that is tailor-made for you to suit your style and needs. A helicopter that is sleek, fast, and efficient. That's the Hill HX50, the ultimate private helicopter. The Hill HX50 is the brainchild of Hill Helicopters, a British company led by Jason Hill. It has 5 seats, enough for you and your family or friends. It runs on a single Rolls-Royce RR300 turbine engine, which delivers 525 ship. It can fly at 184 miles per hour and cover 500 nautical miles. It has a carbon fiber body and composite blades, making it light and strong. Jaguar Volanti Experimental Helicopter. The Volanti is a visionary helicopter concept that blends the elegance of a Jaguar car with the versatility of a helicopter. It is the brainchild of Thomas O'Master, a Coventry University student from the UK. The Volanti has a smooth and streamlined body that takes cues from the Jaguar F-Type sports car. The cockpit is a glass dome that gives a stunning view of the surroundings. The cabin is lavish and roomy, with seats for 4 people. The Volanti has many features that make it a reliable and effective helicopter. These features include a wire-free flight system, a system to avoid collisions, and a radar to detect weather conditions. PAL-V Liberty. The Liberty is a futuristic flying car created by PAL-V from the Netherlands. It is a 3-wheeled vehicle that can switch between driving on the road and flying as an autogyro. The Liberty can reach 160 kilometers per hour on the ground and 180 kilometers per hour in the sky. The Liberty runs on a 100 horsepower engine and has a body made of carbon fiber. It can soar up and down without needing a runway. The Liberty has a parachute for safety. To fly the Liberty, the driver must have both a driver's license and an autogyro pilot's license. The Liberty is almost ready to launch and is expected to be sold in 2025. The starting price is about $550,000. Pulse concept. The Pulse concept is a futuristic aircraft that can take off and land vertically and fly like a plane. It is designed by Ember Design Ops to mark their 50th year of innovation. The aircraft is a luxury jet that can be used for personal or business trips. The Pulse concept has a roomy cabin that can fit up to 5 people. The cabin has cozy seats, a big glass window, and a private restroom. The aircraft also has a self-driving car that can bring passengers to and from the aircraft. The Pulse concept is an aircraft with a wing that blends with the body and 2 rotors that tilt. The rotors are on the wings, which can turn to let the aircraft go up and down or fly like a normal plane. The aircraft runs on electric motors, which are expected to run on solid-state batteries in the future. STRATOSFERA Volatile. The STRATOSFERA Volatile is a flying vehicle that can go up and down vertically and is designed by the Italian studio Lazzarini Design. It is made of the same very light carbon fiber sphere. STRATOSFERA Volatile can fit up to 2 people and can go as fast as 250 kilometers per hour. It has 4 rotors that have 2 blades each, and each rotor has 2 electric engines. The batteries can make it fly for 1 hour at top speed. The STRATOSFERA Volatile is not built yet and is only an idea, but Lazzarini Design said that they are making a model and hope to sell it soon. Norte Electric Concept Glider. Norte is a sailplane for 2 people that can be shared by pilots and clubs who love gliding. This system makes it easy to use gliders and connects pilots and clubs. This concept has some features that match the needs and wants of a sharing system. Norte can fly by itself with an electric engine that pushes it and a wheel at the back. With these features, no one else is needed to make this plane fly. Thinking about the latest accidents and how to be safe, Norte has a whole package to keep harm low. The package has features that are active and passive to protect the pilot in the best way. FIXAR 025. Meet the FIXAR 025, the ultimate flying machine for your business needs. This amazing drone is powered by electricity and can fly by itself, without any human intervention. Whether you need to deliver goods, inspect infrastructure, or survey land, the FIXAR 025 can handle it all. It can carry up to 10 kilograms of cargo and fly up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. It also has a smart payload system and a black box that keep your data and goods safe. The FIXAR 025 is ready to take your business to new heights. Order yours today for only 60,000 euros. Norte. Imagine a transportation system that can take you and your goods anywhere you want, faster and greener than ever before. That's Norte, the smart solution for urban and suburban mobility. Norte combines an electric flying vehicle, a ground vehicle platform, and a range of pods that can suit any purpose. The flying vehicle can operate by itself or with a pilot. It has 8 propellers in 4 decks, which make it agile and versatile. It can also fly smoothly with its canard wings and vertical tail. Norte is the future of transportation. Don't miss it.